Alright, so we know about the 16 levels on the MPC that gives you this dynamic velocity range that's used in classic boom bap hip hop. Can we do that on the ASR-10? That's a question I get a lot of times. And while it is possible, as most things are with the ASR-10, it's a little bit convoluted, so here we go. We're going to use an initial vocal sample here. I know it's gross. You want to hear some more? We're going to use the keyboard to modulate the volume. So we're going to go to Edit Amp and set the volume modulation to keyboard and the level at 99. Next over, we're going to set the fade in to 0 to 127. Fade out 27 to 27. We're going to scroll over to Fade Curve and set that to linear. We're going to set the velocity curve in the Edit Envelope 3 menu to off. And we're not done, there's more. We're going to go to the Edit Layer menu and set the pitch table from standard to no pitch. This will give us the same pitch across all keys. And now that we've done all that, we have 61 levels of velocity across the keyboard. Yep, I know, while it is convoluted, it is possible, and the range is a lot further. And truth be told, once you make your way around the ASR-10 as a power user, this will be like second nature to you. It won't seem as bad as it looks here. It's just that the ASR-10 is so programmable that you have access to so many features that you can tweak and experiment with, which makes things more tedious on the front end. But once you dig down into it, there's so many possibilities. So yes, it's possible. Yes, it's convoluted. And if you liked and learned something today, subscribe to me here on YouTube and take yourself on down to the Daydream sound. Hit the notification button on this channel to get all the videos on sampler technology and education. I will catch you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Peace.